welcome to Jean's Fun Planet. Today, I'm going to take you on one of the most popular spots in Kyoto. Look, this is Kamo River, the most popular river in Kyoto. It's so calm. Look at these rocks. Those rocks, the kids jump on them. So, yeah, they can go to the other place. Wow, look at all of these people. Wonder what they're doing. Right now, we are at the bridge. As you can see, people often come here to jog, to do jogging, or so they can ride their bicycle, or do a picnic, or enjoy the lovely view. What a nice view! This view is so beautiful. Now we should take a better view. Now we are going down so we can take a better look. I love places that has a lot of beautiful nature. We're here. Do you remember, guys? I'm talking to you guys on this bridge. Listen to the sound of the nature. Did you know, guys, that in spring, those trees become into cherry blossom trees? All of them. But now, they're not cherry blossoms, but they will be. It would be so beautiful. Cherry blossoms here are very, very beautiful. Look at this beautiful view. Oh, look at those ducks that are swimming. Can you see them? A long time ago, there were fish too. Did you know, guys, that those ducks can also fly? That's special in them. Come on, fly. But I'm sure right now they want to be in the water. Look, there are ducks right there too. Look at the lake. It's like it's sprinkling. I meant sparkling. Look at those ducks. Some of them are also putting their heads in the water. Look at the lake. It's sparkling. What a beautiful day. You know that it's kind of cold today. It's 2 degrees. But I wonder if those ducks are cold. I can't stop looking at those ducks in this beautiful view. Hello, little duck. They got in the water. Oh, there they are. They look good at swimming. Oh, did you see that duck? She or he, they get out of the water either. Where are you, little ducks? There you are. Do they like to play peekaboo? Peekaboo! Oh, look at those 2 ducks together. They look like a wife and husband. It seems like they're standing on a rock. What are they doing? I wonder. I hope they make a beautiful family. Oh no! Mother or father duck, where are you going? Maybe they're going to get food? No, 2 days ago there was a heavy snow. But those mountains, there's still snow on them. see them? Oh, it got away. Hello, fish. I wonder if there's more fishes. It looks kind of lonely. That. Look at the beautiful buildings. Look over there. That's Daimonjiyama. And there's a special day on it in August. Then it lights up on the kanji of Dai. Look at those architectures. I love architectures. Beautiful day. I'm very happy. How about you guys? I'm so relaxed here in Kamo River. You guys should also go and vacations to go to do picnic or walk with your friends. It's so much fun, trust me. I love nature. We need to protect it. I'm very hungry. Do you guys like pizza? What a beautiful city. Again. I'm really going to miss Japan. I'm going to miss my friends, my school, and this beautiful place. I'm just so sad. I really like Japan anyways. I think we're almost there. Look guys, this is a pizza. It looks so yummy. How do you think? It smells so good. vinegar chips. It's very yummy. I love it. That was so yummy. I'm so full.やりたいことがあるなら思いきりやろう。行きたい場所があるならどこでも行ける。何を恐れるのか、何をためらうのか、口気ない心が決める。チャレンジチャレンジ。大空高く花畑、今は今であるうちにチャレンジ。How do you sing? Did you like the song? It's about doing challenge. Remember, always believe in yourself. Bye! I hope you have enjoyed today's video, and I'm looking forward for you guys to watch our videos and for seeing you again. So, if you want to see more of our videos, please subscribe. If you liked our video, press the like button. Goodbye!